Hey guys, what's up? How are you this afternoon? My name is Joey, work at the Made Man Barbershop here in Fords, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a lot of hair off. The clients had some color done in his hair. We did some highlights. We're going to be cutting most of them out. We're going to be redoing his haircut. He was rocking a long haircut for a while. If you want to see more of my stuff, more of my work, you can at me at The Grateful Barber on Instagram. So today basically what we're going to do is we're going to be going down to a skin fade on the sides. We're going to be doing a textured haircut on the top. Little bit of triangle parting and sectioning. And that's it. One of the things I like to do first is get the client right into the sink, shampoo their hair so the hair is wet. I don't have to douse them with a spray bottle. They don't have to be soaked, dripping down the side of their head. It allows me to see if he's had any product, there's any product buildup. As you know, shears are pretty expensive these days, so the more product you cut through, the more you have to sharpen your blades. So what I'm doing here is trying to set my guide. I want to set what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with the top. I'm going to abandon the bottom because the bottom is going to get faded off and buzzed off. So I'm going to do all my top work, blow dry it, section the hair, and we'll go right into marrying the sides and the top together. Shear I'm using today is a 6-inch Hikari shear. One of my favorite shears. It's a go-to. It's an intercut blade, which means you have to apply less thumb pressure while cutting. You have to do skinnier sectioning. Usually radial sectioning works best, especially when you're doing a precision haircut. My goal is to use less product when styling the hair, more air from the blow dryer, preferably hairspray. What I'm doing here is I have my sectioning going with the crown along the ridge down to the back. This is so I'll be able to create both guidelines with the same length. Now I followed it all the way around to this side, around the horseshoe. My client has a natural whirl. It's a little bit of an awkward one, so I didn't part it out all the way around and section it out all the way around. I leave a piece of that, and I take this, you extend this out like that, and you pull it tight, and you follow that guide from here, all the way around. As I said, this is all going to be abandoned because we're going to fade this into this. The client's goal of the haircut is to stand up and be textured, yet maybe lay down and have almost like a French crop look. So one of the techniques that I've learned, one of the things I like to do is part it down the middle and take little almost triangular sections. Come across the forehead, creating a bang. Each one of these pieces, you'll fold and overlap, and you'll be able to see the last place that you cut. And you'll follow that all the way until it doesn't do that anymore. And that'll create an overlap of layers, and as the hair blow dries, whether it's flat or you stand it up, you'll be able to see the different heights in the haircut. Now again, I'm doing the same thing on the opposite side, and I'm going to match the sides. I like to use the finer side of the comb Allows you to pull more hair, keep the hair closer, be more precise with your cuts. Now this creates, like I said, an overlapping. Allows the hair to look textured, to fall flat on top of each other. So if you were to wear the hair flat, it would have a look like this. And when you stand it up, it'll show the different heights in the hair. We were going to abandon this, do all our shear work up top. As you see, the way I sectioned the hair, created natural parting. The sides pull right in, they fall right into each other. They show the different heights on the top. When you put some product in, you'll really, really see the full effect. Take about that much, the size of a dime. Gonna emulsify it properly in my hand. I'll start from the rear of the head, from the root to the top. Here we have it. We have a drop fade skin around the bottom. Messy, textured, different heights in the top of the haircut. Follow me at Instagram, The Grateful Barber, and thank you for watching Easy Blade.